Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. Which of the following games is associated with Thomas Cup? Your right answer is badminton. Option B. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Your right answer is Sachidananda Sinha. Option D. Which of these is India's first indigenously built submarine? Your right answer is Salki. Option D. Why should an electrician wear rubber gloves while repairing an electrical switch? Your right answer is to avoid electric shock. Option C. Which of the following is the first alkali metal? Your right answer is lithium. Option B. How many times a half moon is visible in a month? Your right answer is 2 times. Option D. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives rise to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2 is an example of. Your right answer is redox reaction. Option B. The smell of the perfume reaches our nose quickly due to the process of. Your right answer is diffusion. Option D. Which of these can be a cause for soil erosion? Your right answer is all of the options are correct. Plugging of steeply sloped land, overgrazing of pastures, cutting down trees. Your right answer is option A. All of the options are correct. Which of the following district won the Platinum of Web Ratna Award in Digital India Award 2018? Your right answer is Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra. Option D. How is the ammeter connected in all circuit to measure current flowing in it? Your right answer is in series. Option C. Which of these is a hill station in Rajasthan? Your right answer is Mount Abu. Option C. Which of the following diseases is a disease of the lungs? Your right answer is tuberculosis. Option C. If the frequency of a sound wave is 100 Hz, then what is its time period? Your right answer is 0.01 second. Option A. Which of these places was founded in 1577 by Guru Ramdas? Your right answer is Amritsar. Where did Google launch its first drone delivery service in 2019? Your right answer is Australia. Option C. Which satellite is dedicated as India's first multi-wavelength space observatory? Your right answer is AstroSat. Option C. What day of the week will 1st January 2022 be? Your right answer is Saturday. What is the minimum temperature to which a fuel must be heated so that it may catch fire and start burning? Your right answer is ignition temperature. A universal indicator, red color, shows a pH of. Your right answer is 0 to 3. Option D. An ammeter has dash resistance so that it passes maximum current through it. Your right answer is very less. Option D. Which of the following former Indian president served for the shortest duration? Your right answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Option A. Which of the following is a use of ethanol? Your right answer is all of the options are correct. Manufacturing paints in alcoholic drink in cough syrup. Option C is your correct answer. All of the options are correct. Which of the following teams won the final in Vijay Hazare Trophy 2018? Your right answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Which of these plant is mainly found in desert? Your right answer is cactus. Option C. The process of movement of molecules from a higher concentration place to a lower concentration place known as. Your right answer is diffusion. Option C. Which of these diseases is communicable? Your right answer is plague. Option C. In which part of the human ear is amplification of sound done by three bones? Your right answer is middle ear. Option B. A group of more than 3 atoms carrying a charge is known as dash ion. Your right answer is polyatomic. Option B. According to World Health Organization, the soft water has 0 to dash milligram per liter as CaCO3. Your right answer is 60. Option D. KSL is the dash energy level. Your right answer is fast. Option C. Which organ in the human body help to maintain balance? Your right answer is ear. Option C. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called. Your right answer is thermal decomposition. Option C. Sodium metal is stored in. Your right answer is kerosene oil. Option C. Usha Uthup of West Bengal won the Padma Shri for which field? Your right answer is arts. Option 2. Eka silicon is known as. Your right answer is germanium. Option 3. I hope you like this section. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.